Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to all the student database system. Okay, my name is Nur Azita binti Sahabuddin. In this video, I will continue for the chapter normalization. This is the last part, okay. In this topic, we will learn about the normalization and ERD, entity relationship diagram. Okay, so before we start, I just want to recap on the normalization process from the first normal form to the set normal form. Okay, I hope you still remember. Okay, how to write down the first normal form, the relational schema with all the attributes, and you need to find out all the dependencies, partial dependency, primary key or full functional dependency, and also the transitive dependency. In the second normal form, you need to write down the relational schema. Means that you need to don't have the partial dependency and the primary key. And in the third number form, we don't have the transitive dependency. It means that you create a new entities, new relation. Okay. So this is just a recap on the process for the normalization from the first number form to the third number form. Okay, next, we will continue actually. Okay, in the normalization, we can draw the entity relationship diagram. Okay, I hope that you, after this video, I hope that you can know that the process of normalization is related to the previous topic, chapter 4 and chapter 5, which is ERD and EERD. Okay, how we do the entity relationship diagram. Okay, the first step actually, we draw entity from the second number form based on the partial dependency. Okay, let's say we have the partial dependency here, employee and project. Okay, you just draw two entities, which is employee and project. Write down all the attribute and make sure you write down the primary key, each of the attribute, each of the entities, which is employee number and project number. And then you have the relationship, okay? To know the cardinality between the two entities, you need to know the data. Okay, based on this data, okay, you can see here employee number 105 Alice. Alice actually worked for one and more project. Means that Alice worked for the project Evergreen and also worked for the project Rolling Tide. So here we have employee who work for one or many projects. So for the project relationship, okay, so here you can see each of the project worked by one or many employee. For example, Evergreen. For the project Evergreen, there are so many employee work for this project. Okay, June, John, Alice, William, and also David. Okay, you must remember each of the project must have at least one employee work for the project. Okay, so means that you have one or many cardinality here. Okay, a project is assigned to one or many employees. Okay, so here if you can see we have the many to many relationship. Okay, as we learned in the chapter 4, okay, we need to avoid the many to many relationship. Okay, how to solve this problem actually? Okay, we still need to, based on our second number form, based on the primary key here. Okay, in our second number form, if you still remember, we have the assignment, okay, project number and employee number as a primary key. And here, this is the combination of the employee employee table, employee number, which is the primary key, and in the project, which is the project number as the primary key. Okay, since we have the management relationship here, actually we can tell this problem for the assignment. We create a new entities here, which is assignment. Okay, in this entities, we know that our primary key is the project number and employee number. Okay, so we draw the relationship between employee and the assignment, and also between the project and assignment. So you just write down the cardinality, you cross, okay, the cardinality, which is the many side will become at the new relation, new entities, okay? So same with the project and the assignment. The many side we become at the assignment side, okay? So here, this is how we change from the second number form to the ERD, okay? We just eliminate the relationship between employee and project. Okay, next step is we draw entity based on the third number form. Okay, in our third number form, we have a new relation, new entities means that, okay, we have the job entity. Here, you must remember in the employee, you have a foreign key, which is job class. And in the new entity, which is job, you have the primary key job class, and you bring together the attribute charge hour. Okay, this is for the transitive dependency actually. So the relationship is one to many because we know employee only have one job position, okay, job class, and each of the job position can have one or many employee. Okay, so this is our table for the first number form. Okay, we only have one single table. And this is our table for the third number form. We have four tables, which is employee, project, job, and assignment. So actually, the process of the normalization is we separate from the single table um, to the many table as we can do. Okay. So what is the relation between the ER diagram and normalization? So in the ER diagram, we identify the relevant entities, their attribute, and their relationship. We identify the additional entities and attribute, okay, if we have the many-to-many relationship. But in the normalization procedure, we focus on the characteristic of specific entities. We know on the dependency. Actually, the normalization procedure is a micro view of entity within our diagram. So difficult to separate normalization process from ER modeling process. The conclusion of the normalization process is normalization is used to minimize data redundancies. Okay. And this is the conclusion based on each of the normal form. First normal form, we have no noun values. We identify the primary key. Actually, we can have one or two primary key. If the case is don't have the many-to-many relationship, we only have a single primary key. But if we have the many-to-many relationship, you will have more than one primary key. Okay, in the first normal form, we also define all the dependency, partial dependency, full functional dependency, and transitive dependency. In the second normal form, you don't have the partial dependency, the primary key, you write down the relational schema. And in the third normal form, you don't have the transitive dependency. Okay, table that is not in the normal form may be split into new tables until all the tables meet three normal form requirements. Hope that you understand this statement. Means that as long as the table you can split to the new table means that it not meets the normal form requirements. Okay, so that's all for the chapter 6 on the normalization. Hopefully that you understand this chapter clearly. Okay, if you have any problem, you can ask your lecturer. And here I give you an exercise. Please try to do the exercise and discuss the answer with your lecturer. Okay, you need to identify all the functional dependencies and you need to normalize the table to the third normal form. Okay, all the best. Thank you for watching. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay.